Welcome to English with Ammy.
Hey everyone and welcome. Today we are going to tackle a part of English that seems a little tricky at first, but is actually super useful. We are talking about the present perfect tense. This is your key to connecting the past with what's happening right now. So have you ever thought about this? How do you talk about something that's already done, but it still has a real effect on the present moment? Well, guess what? That's exactly what the present perfect tense is all about. Okay, so this is the main idea we are diving into. The present perfect isn't just about something that happened way back when. Think of it like a bridge that connects a past action to what's going on right now. So here's the bottom line. An action happened, right? It's finished. But the result of that action, or maybe the experience of it, is still totally relevant. Just burn this into your brain. Past action, present connection. That's the whole game. So you might be asking, how do I actually make a sentence like this? Well, I have got great news. There's a really simple formula, and we are going to break it down together right now. It's literally just three easy parts. First, you need a subject. You know the who or what of the sentence, like I, you, or the cat. Next, you just add have or has. And last, you pop in the past participle of the verb, words like eaten, seen, or done. That's it. Okay, enough with the theory, right? The best way to really understand this is to see it out in the wild. So let's look at some examples in action and see how this all comes together. Check this one out. I have finished my homework. So the action of finishing, that's in the past, but what's the connection to right now? It means my homework is done. I'm free to do other things now. Here's another great example of that present result. She has eaten lunch. The action is over, but the consequence is she isn't hungry now. You can see that connection plain as day. Or how about this? He has played cricket. The game is over, sure, but because of that past action, he's probably feeling pretty tired right now. It explains his current situation. And you know the connection isn't always physical. It can be about an experience or a memory, like they have visited the park. The trip itself is over, but that memory is still fresh in their minds now. And here's one that's perfect for us. We have studied English. The studying part happened before this very moment. But what's the amazing result? We know more English right now than we did before. And for our last example, let's look at this one. The teacher has explained the lesson. Why does that matter? Well, because that past action of explaining means the students hopefully get it now. It has a present result. Alright, you've seen the formula. You've seen the examples. Now it's your turn to give it a shot. I'm going to show you a sentence with a little blank space, and I want you to fill it in. You ready? Let's do this. Okay, first one up. I blank finished my work. What do you think goes there? I'll give you a second. It's have. I have finished my work. Awesome start. Next up, she blank eaten food. Remember the rule for she, he, or it? It's has. She has eaten food, that's it. And now she isn't hungry anymore. Let's try another one. He blank played the game. What do you think? You got it. It's has again. He has played the game. You are totally getting the hang of this. So what about when we are talking about a group? They blank seen the movie. That's right. We go back to have. They have seen the movie, so now they know how it ends. This one should feel pretty familiar. We blank learned a new rule. Yes, it's have. We have learned a new rule. See, we are literally doing it right now. Perfect. How about an animal? The cat blank drank the milk. The cat is kind of like an it, so we use has. The cat has drunk the milk and now the bowl is empty. Just a couple more to go. You blank read the book. You got it. It's have. You have read the book, which means now you know the whole story. And here's our last one for practice. It blank rained all day. And the answer is has. It has rained all day, and that's exactly why the ground is all wet now. You nailed it. Fantastic work, really. You learned the rule, you've seen how it works, and you've already practiced it. So what's next? How do we make sure this new skill really sticks with you? It's actually pretty easy. Just two little things. First, try to use this tense when you're speaking today. Talk about things you have done. And second, just have fun with it. Try and make up your own sentences that connect the past to the present. That's truly the best way to learn. And that brings us to our final question, which is a perfect example of the tense itself. What have you learned today? See what I did there? The learning happened in the last few minutes, but that new knowledge, that connection is with you right now. Keep practicing and thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer.
Please comment your answer and see you in next video. Bye-bye.